Hello, my name is Lindsay Handy. A little bit about me. I currently live in Denver, Colorado with my husband, our 14-month-old son, Blake, and we are expecting our second little boy here in the next week or two. I'm 38 weeks pregnant and really excited. A little bit of a fun fact about me. I'm a first grade teacher. I also own a head lice removal facility, like the bugs in your hair. And I just like to stay busy. So clearly 2 kids, grad school, teaching, and owning a business just keeps life fun. A little bit about my professional life. I'm currently in my 4th year of teaching first grade. I taught for 1 year in Kansas City, Kansas at Turner. And now this is my 3rd year in a Title I school in North Park Hill in Denver. My long-term and short-term goals, I would say that my short-term goal would be to finish my master's degree through Fort Hays, doing really well and just learning as much as I can about leadership and administration and education, which would lead me to my long-term goal of eventually leading a building by being a principal. My goal is to work in an elementary school. I just feel like my passion is with those youngers, but ultimately, we'll see where it takes me. What I hope to learn from this course is really just a ton about implementing curriculum and kind of what can we do to move away from what we are currently are doing. Just the first chapter of our text was really eye-opening and interesting as far as the changes that need to happen in order to actually have that positive growth that we all, hope and wish for our students. So, I'm just open to learn as much as I can and really excited about this course. Thanks.